First of all, I want to say I'm very proud of you if you reach this tutorial. I know I have an awful voice and I explain really bad, but if you reached this tutorial, I congratulate you. And as a congratulation gift, I'm gonna offer you a very important document. In fact, it is so important that please go ahead, print it and put it above your desk or in the bathroom, and you have to know it by heart. Go in Google and write Reboot Android Guidelines. So Reboot Android Guidelines. And you will go to a GitHub page with the project guidelines. These guidelines, what they are? They are a collection on how to do stuff. You can do stuff differently, of course. You can do stuff differently, like naming the variables differently. But if you follow these guidelines, one, your code will be much easier to be debugged for you, because we're concentrating on you now. Secondly, when somebody else reads your code and sees that you follow some guidelines, you will appear to be a much smarter person than you really are. Okay, forget about the last proposition, but you have here some guidelines, and please, they are very important. Just try to follow them, bring them, learn them. So pause the video now and at least read them one time. Okay, so what we're trying to learn in this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to communicate between two activities. So I have here a main activity, and I'm gonna just drag a button here on center, and I want to send information from this main activity to another activity called cart activity. So for like for our logic will be, here we have a button add to cart, and I'm gonna call it add pizza to cart. Okay, and here in the cart activity I want to display one pizza was added. Alright, so how to do it? First, I downloaded from internet an image with a pizza, and I paste it here in the drawables. How should I name this icon with a pizza? Now, if you read these guidelines like I advised you, you would know that you name it ik underscore pizza or whatever. So I'm gonna drag and drop an image view here, and I'm gonna set the source to project pizza, and you can type in almost any menu in IntelliJ, it will find it. Okay, great. So I have this button here. Let me get a reference to it. I didn't add butter knife to it, so I'll just do it manually. Okay, so when I click it, I want to go to the other activity. So how to go to the other? You create an intent, cart activity. Let me import this class, new intent, main activity dot this cart activity dot class, start activity, cart activity. And let's first test our application, because early testing is a way to prevent some errors from occurring, and there you go, it appears to be working okay. So how to transmit data? Method number one. In this intent eCart activity, which is an intent, okay, I forgot about this. Just right, put extra, and you have here a list of extra method, which this method is in many different ways you can use it. So just put whatever you want here, put extra, and let's write here a key, and the value is a as a value you can write whatever you want. Let's put a pizza. Okay, so now we added an extra to this intent, and how to get this extra here? You get like this: get intent, get extras, and this one is a bundle. If extras is not null, you put here a variable, whatever you want. Extras, you don't know, first need to know the type, get, and here you pass only the key. So product, here is this product is our key, and here we pass a string. Okay, so this one is a string, and we cast it to string, or we can pass it directly, get string. And just to be sure, I'm gonna log the result to it. Let's compile it. Let me clear this, and voila, we have a pizza here.